Welcome back to the shit show. Today, Hot Wheels. Boom, 98 Prelude. Getting it. Doing fine so far. Oh, we got some sparks. What's going on? Lighten up. Oh, we got some smoke. Oh, we got some flames, people. Here we go. It's going. Looks like that Hot Wheels is about to get some flame. Man, it's going up quick. That microwave is not messing around with the Prelude. JDM life. All right. Hopefully the microwave won't catch on fire. Fingers crossed. That got to heat. I think it'll still roll. Pretty sure it's all right. Nah, definitely ain't gonna work. Let's take a look at the damage, people. Paint held up on the front end. Rest of it's pretty charred. That's all right. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's microwave some more. Welcome to the shit show.